I got another project that I'm working on. I'm gonna be working on very shortly. Got Brenton out here. Say what's up.
What's up?
So, yeah, y'all see it. Pontiac G6, guys. 78 Buick LeSabre. This is how we gonna get them. Obviously, it's been sitting under the street for a while. Let y'all see it first, man. Mirror broke. Still there though. I don't know what is going on in the inside. Step back, buddy, please. It's like a Jeepers Creepers video, man. Check the back seat out, guys. We gonna get it together. Project for next summer. We gonna mess with it all through the winter. Have us something to do. Probably put a rag or something on there. Y'all know, man. Everything here. Trim here. Gotta get the bumper feathers. Them are common even on like the box Caprices. Y'all see it. Got a little dent right there at the bottom. Probably pop that out though.
You need to clean this car up.
Need to clean this car up, buddy?
Mm-hmm.
It would be nice if it was clean, huh?
Yeah, but it's all dirty.
So right now, man, I gotta get this Pontiac out the way. I gotta swap this tire so when they come.
But that's the longest mirror.
Yeah, the mirror broke on it.
Yeah.
I gotta switch that tire from there so they can drag it out of here and get it out the way and not get this thing up out of here, man. Go power wash it down.
How did they broke their tire?
I don't know. I don't know if they got into an accident or they was
There's a tire.
scrapping the parts. Yeah, let's get that tire. This guy got dirty drawers, hanging, drying. All right, y'all seen it first now. So that's our next project. It's going down. It's gonna be a lot to come with that Buick LeSabre. I'm thinking I'm pulling the motor out of this and it's going down with this. Everything there, the grill there. After I get a power wash and everything, I'm gonna see what I'm really working with. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. What's up, man? So as you see, I got the Buick to my domain, man. It's out here. Got the power washer ready. You see it's raining, so man, I care less. I'm hoodied up. I'm about to power wash this thing and let y'all see how it turns out after I spray the degreaser all over this thing, man. I'm gonna hit y'all back in a minute, man. All right, y'all. Me and my helper got half of this car done. As you see, it's a line going straight down the middle. Y'all see what this look like. Wow. It is a big difference, I guess. Yeah. I mean, you notice the little dent now, but it's in okay shape. It's in fair shape.
Daddy. I see gas leak.
That's water, buddy. That's a water hose. Top's definitely gonna have to get redone. But it's not a big deal. Alright. Me and Brenton gonna finish this up. Show y'all the complete process. I'm gonna do the door jams and under the hood and all that. Cause yeah, it's nasty. And probably give her a bath too after that. As you notice, it's still been raining. I mean, it stopped now. I'm about to come up out this hoodie in a second.
You already dusty that oven in the house.
Yeah. We're about to finish this up, man. I'll get back with y'all in a minute. There y'all have it. So the finishing results, man. After that good power wash. That factory color was actually a nice color, that two-tone. There y'all have it, man. Appreciate y'all watching. To be continued, man. I don't know what's gonna be next, but after seeing that interior and them boxes, is like food pantry boxes, man. So it's food in there, and the smell has been in there for a while. So I think it might be getting told to get some interior put in, because I'm not touching that stuff. And I don't know. I think even if I pay somebody to get that stuff out of there, oh my God, I don't even know. They probably wouldn't even do it if I paid them. But yeah, look at this. Yeah, buddy. I moved that box over and then I realized it said food box on there. I'm like, oh my God, what a way to sell a car. But hey, I'm going to be continued, man. I'm gonna show y'all guys. I got some wheels already for this thing, and I think this is gonna be our first Lsswapped car. So stay tuned, man. Thanks for watching, man. I think I need to find a roof for this. I think I wanna put a sunroof in here. Not no panoramic or nothing, but look, the lady brought me something to drink. Not no panoramic or nothing, but you know, something's gotta happen. I like that blue. It just looks too good. Who knows, man? But I'm thinking I got something in store for you guys. Thanks for watching, man.